Maganda Aro Filipinas. This is Kevin from IDC. Today I'd like to introduce our showroom. So first of all, I'd like to introduce our LED video wall. Our LED video wall can divide into indoor, outdoor, flat table, and different kinds of the LED video wall. Compared with the LCD, our LED video wall there's no gap, you can see. And this is 16 square meters. The length is 60 and the width is 2.97. And the pixel pitches is 1.56. So this one can divide into different parts. And also this is a flat maintenance front panel. So I will show our colleague. You can see this is the manual panel, and also it will easy to install and maintain. Now we will put it here. So you can see there's no gap. So this is our LED video wall, which can divide into different parts, can connect with your CCTV cameras, can use it in the command centers. Now we come to the back side. You can see this is back side, and there is many different kinds of panels, and there is a light here. So if any panels there is a defect, the light will turn to red, so you can easily to know which panel has problems. And also this is the screens here, which can show the status, the temperature, the brightness, and some other informations. So this is very unique and intelligent. So this is for the LED video wall. Now we come to the other part, the IPPA system. For the IPPA systems, there's all digital signals and connect with the Cat5 cables. This is IP paging microphone. You can see this is touch screens, and also you can monitor the sound. And this is intercom panels. So if you press the keys, the command center will pick up the phones. Also, we have different other kinds of inter panels, which this one used in the mines and the waterproof. Now this we come to the other IPPA systems used in the different places. Like this one used in the emergency PA system. This one used in the fire alarm systems. And this one used in the railway station and the metro stations.
Dear passengers, this train bound for Panyu Square
All these
will
speakers
not stop at this station.
It's
Please
Cat5 cable,
wait
it's
for the
IP
next
based.
one. Thanks for your understanding and cooperation.
Okay, let's come to here. This is for the IPPA system used in the theme park like Disney. Okay, this is for the PA system. Now let's come to the video part. This is for the command center, KVM, and the video system destruction system. You can see there are many different kinds of the screens, many different video image. You can see, you can use the video source, jack the video source into the tablet, then the screens will show that. It's very easily, and it's seamless, no delay, which you can use in your command center project. Okay, this is for the KVM and the video system instruction system. Then we come to the conference system. You can see there are many different kinds of conference microphones, with wired, wireless, with touch screens, without touch screens, and also we have the interpretation system and the wireless microphone systems, so which can provide the complete solution for your meeting room solutions. Now let's come to the other part. This is for the paperless conference system, which is for high-end, can use it in the government project. And this is chairman, and also can show all the files at the same time to other terminals. You can see other terminals can show the same image. You can share your PPT, share your PDF and some other Word files, and also can show the image, video. And also can control all the terminals up and down. It's very intelligent, right? Now let's come to other parts. Let's come to our interactive flat panel. So we have different sizes from the 65, 75, 86, and the 98 inches. And this one can support 2 operation systems. One is Android and one is Windows. And now we will come to and also this one can support the whiteboard. I will show you. This is whiteboard, which can use in the classroom and other meeting rooms. You can see it's easy to create the chart, create the tables. And also this one can build in the cameras and build in the microphone. So if you want to do the video conference with Zoom, Team, and some other Google Meet, you can use this directly. It's very easy to have the video conference. Now we'll show you how to sharing our mobile phone content to the TV. You can wireless project your cell phone screens to the TV. You can see the project already project into the TV. So you can see it's very clear and very fast. transmission. Okay. Now let's come to the sound and the lighting system showroom. Come here. You can see this is our stage lighting device. You can see the stage lighting, pro sound systems, LED video wall. So this is a small stage. I will show you the effect.
You've been running around, running around, running around through the night, tearing along my name. 'Cause you knew that I knew that I knew that I'd call you up. You've been going around, going around, going around every party in LA. 'Cause you knew that I knew that I knew that I'd be at one. I know that dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine. I know I'm all opinion, what you expect, but you're not going out with me tonight. You just want attention, you don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate for me with someone new.
And also we will show our videos which can similar like the cinema. You can have the videos in your room.
Right now, you're listening to where cinematic audio has been. Because we are so used to hearing sound this way, we don't notice that it is merely a fraction of what its potential could be. But what if sound could be extraordinary? Again. Engines are up and burning. What if sound could be captivating, subtle, authentic? What if sound could be deeper, more dimensional? There's no need to wonder, because you're listening to Dolby Atmos. With Dolby Atmos, audio can precisely move in any direction within this theater, whether the sound sweeps from the back to all the way in front, arcs overhead, or moves anywhere in between. Today, you will feel every dimension. How does that sound?
So you can see, you already see a movie. So this is our stage and sound showrooms. Now let's come to other parts. This part is our PA systems. You can see there are different kind of amplifiers and speakers and microphones. So these amplifiers divided into many different kind of channels. 2 channels, 4 channels, 8 zones, 6 zones. So it can fit your different kind of project. And also, this is for the paging microphone, which can extend to 150 kilometers. So this is for the PA system part. Now let's come to other parts. This is for the classroom recording systems. We have similar for a classroom. So you can see there are different cameras. These cameras shoot for the students. This camera. Yes. And the other cameras is for the student. It's backside. And so if some students, they stand up and ask the questions, the camera will shoot him automatically. You can see that. And also, all these class can be recorded and will put into the platform. And also, these complete systems enabled with control systems. So which is easily for teachers to control the classroom. You can see they press one key, then the light, the curtain, the air condition are all closed. So it's very easy to operation. Yes. Now let's come to the other part. And also this is for our final station. So this is for the meeting rooms. You can see there is a microphone, there is a conference systems, and the LED TV, pro sound systems, video conference. So it's for the turnkey audiovisual systems for meeting rooms. You can see the central control can use the tablet to control all systems. You can see you press the one key, then the light, the curtain, the air condition has closed. And also you can adjust the air condition temperature. So you can see this is very intelligent. So this is all for our ITC showroom. So if you have any questions, you can come to HYE to call for support, and also we will have our all opinions here. So thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.